Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day in Washington and I'm going to teach you how to do your cartwheel. We're going to go over 3 major things in this video. How to do your cartwheel, common issues beginners have, and an advanced way to do your cartwheel. So without any further delay, let's get onto our cartwheel. The first step when doing your cartwheel is getting used to going upside down. So you can start off like this. Hands up, put it on the floor, and simply kick your body over. Notice I put the top of my head directly towards the floor. That gets me used to that feeling of doing my cartwheel. Once you've gotten used to that feeling of going upside down, you can start working on your form with your cartwheel a little bit more. Hands up, first hand on the floor. Now before this second hand touches the floor, I'm gonna kick my other leg over my head. From here, hands up, first hand on the floor. Before my second hand touches, kick my other leg over, touch down second hand. And when I do this, my back leg is gonna follow the same path as my kicking leg. So to start off with a very simple progression, it looks like this. Practice that a couple times to get used to going upside down, and then bring your legs a little bit higher and higher each time you kick your leg. A very common issue that beginners run into is that they don't kick their back leg hard enough. So instead of kicking their back leg over their head, they kick it very low sideways. No, sir.
Are you in your PE class right now?
No, sir. Actually, I'm doing a tutorial of how to do things.
Oh, you are?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
Who are you teaching?
Right now I'm just doing like a very beginner thing. It's cartwheels. I'm just doing cartwheels.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why I'm going like, okay, with the progression, go like this, and then you can get a good cartwheel.
Oh, I see. I saw you do a good one.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Nice. I definitely got to put that in the video. So once you've gotten used to that progression of going lower and a little bit higher and higher and higher each time, you want to start trying to straighten your legs out. Do this with the kicking leg. So first, your kicking leg should be straight up in the air in order to bring your second leg up straight up in the air. Another issue that beginners tend to run into, after they get that first kicking leg up straight up in the air, their second leg comes over, but it's bent. That issue looks like this. They kick over properly with their kicking leg, but their back leg becomes bent. The reason that beginners have problems with this is because they're afraid to commit with their second leg. So putting everything together and committing with both legs, your cartwheel should look a little bit like this. Now, as promised, we're going to look at the advanced way to do this trick as well. So instead of using both hands now, you're going to tuck this one in and use your leading hand only. You can start this by doing both hands and then pulling it away before you land. Or another way to think of it is that the floor is glass and you don't want to cut this hand. This one's made of obsidian or something like that, but this one you don't want to cut. A good way to practice this is to think that the floor is glass. You don't want to cut your hands, so you tuck it in. Your one-handed cartwheel looks like this. Once you've gotten used to doing your cartwheel, now you can add it into combos. That was so ugly, but it was okay. That is all for this video. If you don't mind, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, put a comment down below on how I can improve these tutorials, and I'll see you all in the next video.